Hey guys, so this is a quick update video about some of the stuff going on for this week and next week. A little bit of things have changed, so I just wanted to give a video to help you organize your stuff. So first thing is assignments and the grades. So you've noticed that grades have been updated daily that go in based on what you've been completing on Edgenuity. If you've fallen behind, you have also noticed that you get a late and missing tag, but you don't get a 0. And that's because we were told not to put any zeros because of the transition and everything that's going on, which is completely understandable. However, starting tomorrow on Wednesday, zeros will start to be going into the grade book. So if you are behind, your grade is now going to drop because where there's been nothing, now zeros will be placed into there. Now, this doesn't mean that you can't still make up the work, because you can. You just have to just be aware that what you have achieved isn't going to be the grade you're seeing anymore. It's going to be what the actual grade is. When you make up your work, you can make it up for full credit. There will be no late grade penalties, and that's a rule throughout the whole semester. But you really need to make sure that you're managing and keeping up, because if you fall too far behind, it's going to be a lot that kind of piles up for you, and you really don't want that. Okay, the next thing is the assignment that's scheduled for Thursday is a test. For some of you, you've already completed the course and you're all done for the week, which is fantastic, and a lot of you are doing a great job. For others, you've kind of been sticking to the pace, which is absolutely fine. You just need to make sure that for Thursday, our superintendent kind of called it a free day, where it's more do something creative, do something fun, do something to de-stress yourself, kind of a day to go into the weekend with kind of a clear head for that Easter day weekend. So with that being said, that means you do not have to do the test that's assigned for you on Thursday. However, you can push that to Monday. For some of you who have already done the test, so you don't even have to worry about it. It's kind of just up to you. No late grade will be applied, so if you feel like, I don't want to do this week, don't do it this week. Hold it off, do it next week, and you don't worry about it. And I won't put a 0 in for the test grade. Anything that's on time, so this is considered on time, you won't have that put in as a 0. And then for those that are finished, well, you're all finished, okay? That leads us to Friday. Of course, there's no work assigned really, because it's a holiday. And then the following week is when you have your projects that are going to be, you'll have the whole week to work on your projects. Make sure that you look at the rubric and the information in the classwork section of the Google Classroom that's on this page, and then you should be good to go. Have fun with it. Be creative. Include your siblings, include your parents, include if you don't want to, that's fine too. Kind of have an opportunity to use this to have some fun and see what you can do to make it. The music and the songs and whatever you do for the music video does not have to be about physics at all. It does have to be school appropriate, but it does not have to be about physics. You're just going to explain the physics concepts that you used at the end. All right? And let me see. And I think that is pretty much it. So make sure, again, holiday this Thursday and Friday, really take the time to kind of decompress and de-stress. Don't do any work. That's pretty much what we're telling you to do. Zeros will start going into the grade book tomorrow. And then, of course, you have the time to do the test next week if you haven't done so already, and start working on your projects. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. Some of you have been in contact with me, which is great. Some of you I haven't. So you need to make sure that you're keeping up on the assignments before it gets too overwhelming for you. All right? So you guys be good. I miss you very, very much. I miss our mornings together. I hope you guys are being safe and being good. Hopefully I'll see you soon. Okay? Bye, guys.